back again.
Baby Zuzu.
Happy New Year! This is baby Sinzu. Sinzu morning. Happy New Year.
Everybody.
Why are you whispering?
My name is Chigozie. Yeah, thank you. Happy New Year, guys.
And this is Chinamwa Jesus. She's back again. The OGs, you know her. The OGs.
Well,
Oh my God, you're glowing.
Oh, thank you. You know, I was going to try accent, but that didn't work. But it is.
We love you like that.
Yeah, I love you guys. I see you guys. Some of you asking about me. For those that don't ask, it's okay. You are still in my prayers. But for those that ask, I love you. Happy New Year. I hope the New Year works out for you.
Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Happy New Year! How you guys doing? We have a special guest on the channel. This is Chigo Baby Sinzu. Introduce yourself.
Thank you.
Look at this. Look at this beauty.
Yes, thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Chigozie Cynthia. I'm currently a master's student at Eastern State University studying information technology. Thank you, Aladi, for having me.
Oh, you're welcome. Nice. It's a pleasure.
Yes.
Do you guys remember Chinamwa Jesus? I will insert a video here so I can see. This is her baby sister, if you know what I mean. The OGs, you know what I'm saying, you know? So guys, it's the holiday season,
yes.
You know.
We are matching.
You know, from me and mine to you and yours. So we're actually going to be showing you guys the Christmas presents we received. Yes. We've unboxed some of them. As you can see, we got Apple Watch for Christmas. We're already using this one, but it was part of our Christmas gifts, you know, from friends and family.
Yes.
So we're actually going to show you the ones that we have not started using.
Yes.
So yes. Don't forget to like our video, comment, subscribe, and if you want to connect with Baby Sinzu, her Instagram handle is right on your screen. Follow.
Thank you.
Yes. Chigo, let's start with you.
So, guys,
I'm going to go there and be checking to show to make sure they are showing us. We are seeing it. Okay.
I got myself this 14 Pro Max as my Christmas and New Year gift to myself for a stressful New Year.
Aww.
Then my sister, that's Chinamwa
Jesus,
got me this lovely steel necklace. So yeah, that has my surname, that's a Abu on it.
Wow, let's see, customized.
Yes.
Let's see, bring it.
She actually got me a 90 set of 90s.
They show us make
it's for Boo. So for me, said it's for when I want to go to Boo's house.
Jeez.
That's what she said actually. She was giving me
wow, come and tell me something.
And so I got this. I mean, everybody loves Apple except my sister. You got an Apple Watch too.
Yeah, I got an Apple Watch.
Oh, okay. What did you say?
Yeah. But you can show them like that's the part, but we're already using them.
No, the latest Apple series watch. Then this is the
AirPod. Did they show us? Did they show us yet?
This is it. This is the big bus.
Okay.
The big bus.
Okay.
And that Apple, I got the latest. I should start.
Yeah.
Okay, go and join.
You said it was the Apple Pro stuff, right? Because I didn't watch it. Okay, yes. Hopefully.
So another Apple Pro. I got the latest Apple AirPods Pro. And this
Apple
package.
Gear.
Yes, so I like
Apple should sponsor how.
As a the way I advertise for Apple, they should actually sponsor me. I had a whole of this is chocolate. And then candles. I love candles, and that's for my I actually had air tag from Rosemary. Rosemary gave me an air tag, but it's been customized, so but it's not here. I mean, we tried.
All right, guys. Look look at my gift from China, baby. If you see me with this shoe on the street, be holla at me and say China. guess the color. This might be right.
Okay.
Ta-da! Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Just look. Look at that baby. Halogen white or waiting. Look at that baby. He's giving what he should give.
Yeah,
look at this soul. Look at this soul. Just look at that baby.
Between that she has something like
look at that baby. Just look at, you know. Look at. Summer we shall be back. Or fall. No. They have warned me that this is not winter shoe.
This is the
and then this is another box of joy.
I'm telling you.
Say joy. So let's see. Can you see that? Okay, guys.
See how things coming.
Yeah, and I have things on the way. You know, I'll update you guys as they drop.
Yes.
Chiga's gift for me is on the way, and Noka's gift is on the way. So, guys, see.
It's giving.
Can you see? I don't know if you can see it, but say forgive me in case you are not seeing it. But
we'll still show them.
Okay, look at it. So
Victoria,
I got
Victoria's
this,
Secret.
you know. Is it
Yes,
perfume or perfume?
Anyway, you understand?
Look at that baby. Just look at that. And then I got
A gift card.
Guess the amount.
Just guess. If you get public view,
I'm not promising it.
5K.
No.
5,000 naira, not dollar.
I'm not promising anything, please. It's not me that said it.
If you get the amount, I'm going to give you 5,000 naira.
Wow.
You don't call me Zuzu for that thing.
Sinzo ma. Bill this gift.
Okay,
and then there is a candle here for me as well. And can you see the details? Like you know, you can see
nice.
that. And then a box of chocolates. Who doesn't love chocolates? So the watch, I'm already wearing it today. So what does they get? I feel like I have
the comforter set.
Yeah, it's still on the way. I don't know what Maka is getting. Yeah, this is not mine.
We'll add it.
This girl's phone.
We'll add
Look, I know see person gift. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ta-da!
Thank you.
See you later. Signing out.
Thank you for having me.
Hi, Chigo.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. It's Chigozie Cynthia Agufu. Thank you, sister, aka babies, Chigo babies, according to Rosemary. Sinzu, sorry, according to
Be her.
So anyway, you see me, bill me.
1, 2, very good. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Okay.
What else again?
Happy New Year.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to
Okay, welcome back.
to our YouTube channel. Okay.
One more time.
1, 2, 3, go. So come close, make your face show.
Okay.
And when we start recording, I'm going to close that place because it is where you're supposed to look at. Because if you're looking at her, when the people start looking at you, it will be like you're talking to someone else. So if you want your audience to see, you have to look inside this hole.
Okay. Can't you close that?
I'm going to close it. So
close it. That's better.
Alright. Is it detecting your face? Actually, let's do thumbnail now. Where I will crop, carry one of the box, you hold it, then we'll use it as part of the thumbnail. This is how influence needs to work. Then cover picture. You got it like.
Oh, okay.
Another thing is by the baby.
You don't block our eye?
Hopefully one will be good that we use.
Only one. Push, push.
Yeah, I'll probably
Happy New Year.
That you did do. We wish you Merry Christmas. So happy. Oh yeah, 1, 2, ready, go.